Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Punjab University Statistics Department conducted a very important and technical paper for MPhil and PhD Statistics admission on 22nd August, Thursday 2024. Respected students, today I will discuss very important questions of that paper. Let's start. Question number 1. Correlation coefficient is what between regression coefficients? Correlation coefficient, which is a pure number, it ranges from -1 to +1. It is the geometric mean between two regression coefficients. R is equal to by on x multiply bx on y under the root. Question number 2. The number of parameters of the bivariate normal distribution. As you know, in normal distribution we have one variable x and we have two parameters, mean and sigma square variance. In bivariate normal distribution we have two variables, two random variables x and y, and we have five parameters, mu1, mu2, sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square, and covariance sigma 1 2, covariance between the two random variables. A very important question. Next question. In Poisson process, actually whenever we are interested in time, whenever random variable denotes time, then we have exponential distribution. Next question is, mean of the chi-square distribution is 5. What is its variance? Dear students, we know in chi-square distribution, which is positively skewed, which ranges from 0 to plus infinity, it is used for testing the population variance, and its mean is n and variance is 2n. So if mean is given, that is 5, variance will be 2 multiplied by 5 and that will be 10. Next question is, in uniform distribution, interval is given 3, 5, a is equal to 3 actually, b is equal to 5, and you are to find variance. We know variance is equal to b minus a whole square over 12, 5 minus 3 whole square over 12, 4 over 12 means 1 by 3. Next question is, when we use multiple comparison test, actually whenever our H naught is rejected and population means are not equal, there is difference between two population means, we use multiple comparison test. Next question is, what is the relation between Q2, median, D5 and P50? Actually 5th decile, 50th percentile, second quartile and median are all equal. Equality will be the correct answer. Next question is, assumptions of analysis of variance. A, normally and independence. B, additive and linear. C, both. Both is the correct answer. Next question is, in regression, range of covariance. Range of covariance is minus infinity to plus infinity. Range of regression coefficient, actually B, which is regression coefficient, which measures the change in y for the unit change in x, it also ranges from minus infinity to plus infinity. Next question is, in multiple regression, whenever independent variables are correlated with each other, then we have multi-collinearity. Next question is, if error terms are dependent, we have serial correlation or autocorrelation. Next question is, when you get students easily, then we have convenient sampling. Next question is, if capital N is given, small n is given, how many samples can be made with the help of without replacement? We know the formula, capital N C small n, just substitute the values. Next question is, bias can be positive, bias can be negative. Both will be the correct answer. Whenever expected value of the statistic is not equal to population parameter, then we have bias. It can be positive, it can be negative. Next question is, if A and B are independent events, then probability of A intersection B will be equal to probability of A multiply probability of B. Next question is, principles of experimental design. We know randomization, repetition and local control. Next question is, among CR, RCPD and Latin square design, which has maximum degree of freedom? Completely randomized design has maximum degree of freedom. Next question is, which test is non-parametric? And sign test is the non-parametric test. Next question is very important. Kruskal-Wallis test is alternative to one-way analysis of variance, and Friedman's test is alternative to two-way analysis of variance. Next question is, which test is used for testing more than two variances? And that is Bartlett test. Next question is, when p-value is smaller, it supports rejection of H node. Next question is, in stratified random sampling we take equal number of values from each stratum, and that is called equal allocation. Dear students, must comment on today's video. Assalamu alaikum.